We've been getting a lot of comments recently asking to see our studio where we film our videos and how it's set up and why we have it set up that way. So today we're going to show you the studio and tell you why things are the way that they are. So if you follow me, you'll see the main stage over here to my right. It's where we film all the videos and all the live streams are done right here. Over in this back corner is our editing station. So we'll edit videos over here and kind of keep track of the comments in the live stream. And then if you'll follow me behind the desk here, we'll see what we got going. So we got a couple monitors here. We got a teleprompter. That way Joe can always look at the audience and into the camera during the streams. We got a couple of lights going on here. So this is our lighting setup. This keeps Joe well lit and keeps the video looking clean. Let's hop behind the teleprompter and show you our lighting setup and why we have it the way that we do. So we're all behind the setup now and we're gonna break down our lighting setup. Over to my left, we have the key light. This is the main light in the setup. This is the brightest light. Every other light is based around what we do with this light. The light is over to my left. That way it adds more depth to the shadows on my face. To my right, we have the fill light. This light is used to fill in some of the shadows that are made by our key light. The point of this light is to keep the contrast of the scene without it looking too dark from the shadows provided with just the key light. It keeps the scene bright, but still interesting. Yeah. Up next is our backlight. For us, we use this neon sign right behind me as our backlight. This light adds a nice edge glow to the subject and frame, but it's also used as a background light. So it helps add contrast to the scene and light the wall behind me. So we covered our main 3 lighting spots, but every lighting setup's gonna have some weird stuff that they have to fill in with other lights. For us, we have this extra fill light above me. When we're filming with Joe, he's usually wearing his hat forward like this, which can cast shadows right below his eyes. This light bounces its light off the table and helps fill in the shadows that are made by his hat. That's it for the lighting aspect. Let me break down the equipment we use for our streaming. For our microphone right here, we use a Shure SMB7. These are really good podcasting microphones and provide great sound quality. Over here to my left, we have a Rodecaster. This is what we plug our audio into. This is how we get the audio into the computer and out to you guys. We're running a dual monitor setup with one plugged into our teleprompter. So the right-hand monitor is our main monitor. It's what we run our stream on and what Joe looks into and sees on the teleprompter. Over to my left, we have a vertical monitor. This is what Joe uses to read the comments during his live streams. And like any good setup, we got space on the walls behind us to decorate, add fun stuff like the guitar, the neon sign. We got our West Coast Fence Show contract back there. All this stuff is interchangeable. There's gonna be some new stuff coming up after Fence Tech. Stay tuned for that. So that's the studio, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour and the setup guide. Leave a comment down below letting us know what you think of our studio. If you wanna see more videos like this, more behind the scenes production stuff, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.